Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can change the username or the admin user account name on the Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be going first to our control panel. So please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. And to go to the control panel, simply make a search here in the Windows search tab and then type control. You will get under best match the control panel option, so please make a click on that to open, and then here you will be getting this kind of window. If you're not getting this kind of window, all you need to do is just to click on this view by options and select the category 1. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go with the user accounts option. So you will click on this user accounts, and the next thing you need to do is to click on this manage another account to change or to uh look for the user account that you would like to change the name. So you can also have this, I'll just click on this John user account here. So all you need to do is just to click on this change the account name option. And then once you do that, you will be able now to type a new account name for this account. All you need to do is just to click on this uh, box here, and then you will now be able to type the name. For example, I'll change it into user John. And then once you have done this one, just please click on this change name button here, and you have now changed the username with this user account. And then once you're done doing this one, just close this window, and then you can see the changes after you make a quick restart with your device. So just please make a quick restart first, and then you will now be able to see the changes that you have just made. So we will just try to uh, go click on this one. As you can see, we have now the user John name in this user account. So that's it. That's a very simple and easy process on how you can change the user account name on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you learned something from this video, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.